All right, good evening. I wanted to show off my new tool set. So uh, previously I have, I've always heard, if you're, sorry, I'm having trouble here. Okay, if you're familiar with knife stuff, you're probably familiar with Weeha. Weeha. Everybody knows Weeha, right? If you don't know Weeha, it's okay. I didn't know Weeha at one point. So they sell this little stubby, right? And it's kind of expensive. I say expensive. It's probably like, I don't know, 15 to 20 bucks, something like that. And I see a lot of people use this. So I said, okay, I'll get one. And you might notice it's missing one. Well, why is it missing one? Did you lose it? Well, no, I didn't lose it. I threw it in the trash because I was working on a knife and it actually bent. It actually bent. I forget which knife I was working on. What knife was I working on? I don't even know, dude. I don't remember. I think it might have been my Reich knife, the mirror blade one. I don't remember. But anyway, it bent the freaking metal all up, and it was just useless. So I haven't been wanting to do anything with my knives because I didn't have the proper, I mean, I do have another little tool that's, pretty cheap, but it's important that you use good tools because if you don't, you will strip your screws, and once you strip a screw, it's useless. You can't take it off anymore. So anyway, I just recently got this ifixit. Heard really good things about this company. Really nice little case. It's held together by magnets, so it's pretty nice. And in here, they do have a few different sets. This one's, for like $5 more, you get all this stuff. They have one for 15 bucks. This is 20 bucks, and you get all this stuff. They have one for 15. It has less. I just went ahead and got this one, obviously. That's what I have here, and I just wanted to show. I just recently got this in the mail today. This is the Chaves 229 Redención Tonto, and I do have also the drop point blade, very similar, just a different blade shape, more rounded. But anyway, Chaves come with a extra pocket clip because not everybody is crazy about having a skull. I mean, don't get me wrong, that's a sweet pocket clip, but I don't know. I'm just not crazy about wearing skulls. Call me a girl, call me whatever, but I'm just not crazy about, you know, wearing skulls. Okay, it's a whole other story for a whole other day as to why I'm not crazy about skulls, but that's okay. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I wanted to show you the iFixit set. So anyway, so it's going to be a T8, I'm pretty sure. Okay, that's the wrong size. This is a T10. That's why I grabbed the wrong one. Here's a T8. Okay. I don't even need to check because I know it's right. Okay, so what's sweet about this comes off and you've got this. This is actually made for taking your SIM card out or memory card of your phone or whatever. But it turns, right? And that's designed like that so you can go like that. Nice. That is a lot easier. Oh, and it's magnetic. So that's a plus. It really pays to have good quality tools. And it also pays to have good quality knives. I do include knives in that category. No, not everybody is going to be able to go out and buy a Chaves 229. I am not able to buy a Chaves 229. That's why I'm having to pay my rent late and pay our late payment on my rent because I want to buy stuff like this instead of taking care of my responsibilities. So I do not recommend being like me. So, but anyway, it's a cool little tool set. I'll probably never use most of these, but I've got them if I do use them. So, and while I'm here, I might as well show you my other Chaves 229. Now, if you really want a Chaves, so they have two different types of Redenciones. And I could be wrong. They have two different types of this knife. It could be two types of the Redencion or it could be two types of the 229. I don't know. But what I'm talking about is they have a street version. The street version is the exact same knife, but it's a little smaller. This is a big knife. Okay. It is a big boy. That's big. 5 inches. God, the D10 on this one's so heavy. And on this one, it's not. It's not nearly as heavy. See how easy that open compared to this one? And you hear how when I drop it, not very loud. This one, when I drop it, it's going to be a lot louder. You hear that? Crazy. Crazy how different these are. And I don't think it's oh, the Tonto is like that. I think it's just that these knives are literally like pretty much handmade. So they're all, no two knives are going to be exactly alike. And you can actually, I'm pretty sure you can adjust the detent. When I say detent, what I mean by that is inside of here, there is on the left-hand side, you see right there, it's a little line. So inside of there is going to be little tiny balls. And I don't even see them. I can't even see them. Maybe I can see them on the other one. Yeah. See that? Right up there. See it? Now let's compare that with this one. Okay, it is there. It's definitely there. I don't know how I didn't notice that before. I don't know. Maybe one of these days I'll take this apart and mess with it, but Ow! That flucked out and hit my finger. Oh. Anyway, there you have it. Dang. So, there you have it, folks. God, this one's much harder to open. But I like that. I like it a lot. And I've also got this one that I noticed recently. This is my Arcane Abyss. I've noticed that if you flick it just right, it kind of ding, kind of sings. This one has a real heavy detent too. You hear that? Ding. This one's hard to get, dude. It's hard to spider flick. I just recently got this anodized. That's why it looks so colorful. And also, you got this one anodized. Look at that. Gorgeous. All four of these knives are very different. Well, I would say all three of these knives. Ooh. All three of these knives are very different. Different made. How they're made is different. Their action is different. The weight is different. This one probably weighs, I don't know, probably around close to 5 ounces. This one probably weighs 6.5 ounces. It's pretty heavy. This one probably weighs 3.5 ounces. Let's see how right I am. I'm going to check real quick. Alright, so this one, 3.3 ounces. I think I said probably close to 3. The 229 is 6.4 ounces. What did I say? 6.5, something like that. I was pretty close. And lastly, let's see the Arcane. And the Arcane Abyss is 4.8 ounces. I was pretty freaking close. Not bad. Alright. I just now noticed too, this video is recording sideways. That freaking sucks, dude. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed the video anyway. And I'll see you next time. Have a good night.